Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to convert any photograph into this beautiful handcrafted photograph with the embroidery work. So this is me and my mom's picture which I have printed as black and white, and then I have done some beautiful colorful embroidery work, and you can create such cute gifts in upcoming Mother's Day for your mom, or you can use this method for any other occasion. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I have taken the printout of my picture with my mom on 200 GSM matte finished cardstock, and the paper quality is very nice because we are doing lots of embroidery work and more work will be done by making lots of holes, so it should be nice in quality. And this picture was taken on my cousin's wedding, so we both are wearing sari here, and just to match with the theme I have decided to create beautiful flower danglers on both the sides. So I have decided create some veil, some foliages and some fillers using lots of flowers and leaves. So first we have to draw the position where we are planning to create the flowers. So here I am making 5 divisions for each flower like this, just like a star shape, and I have decided to create woven wheel rose patterns because in this pattern we need to create only 6 holes for one rose, and it should be easier for us because it's not cloth, it's paper. And now here I am taking my embroidery needle and just creating holes like this on each point, just putting a piece of thick bunch of tissue paper in the bottom. You can also use foam pad if you have, so that it will be easier to create holes. And there is one more easy method. If you have such kind of a rounder, you can just poke the hole directly like this. I found this method much easier than before, and in this way I will create hole on each star pattern. Now here I am taking baby pink embroidery thread and taking all 6 strands, creating a knot at the end. I have just passed it through the needle, and now I am starting with making my first rose flower using woven wheel technique. So just passing it through the center part, and since this is the very delicate, so I am just pulling it for the first time using my plier and doing it very gently because photograph can be teared. And don't worry, if your photograph is having nice and thick GSM quality, it won't happen. Similarly, putting it down again and covering all 5 lines using same thread. So this is done. Now what we have to do to create the rose pattern, just we have to take out our needle from the center part, near to the center part, and we have to just weave the thread on top of one thread and underneath the next thread like this, starting from the center, and we have to do it in rotation till the end. Again top of the thread and underneath next thread, top and under, top and under, and you have to repeat this alternatively till you reach the end of the design. Can you see this? Super easy. So I'm quickly completing my rose pattern. And here I have reached to the end, so just putting down my needle and creating some knots on back side, cutting the excess thread, and the beautiful first rose is ready. It's looking very delicate. I have decided to create all my rose flowers in different shades of pinks, so I will create some more using same baby pink color. So here I have created total 4 flowers. Now I am taking dark pink thread and creating one more rose with the same method. And this is done. And now on the remaining 4 sides of roses I am going to use this medium pink thread. So quickly finishing remaining roses, and after creating all the roses my work is looking like this. Now I am creating some stems which are hanging, so creating a light sketch using my black marker, very light, and if you are confident enough then only use marker directly, otherwise just take any chalk which is easily wipeable, and then when you are happy with the design just trace it using black marker. So I have created branches on both the sides. Now I am poking hole using my rounder again. And it will look like this from back side. Then taking light sap green color thread using total 4 strands and making stem stitch here to make the branches. Similarly completing till the end, and here I have created three branches using light sap green. Now between these light sap green I am creating the branches using dark green thread with the same method. Similarly, going to complete it on right side, and this is completely done. Now I'm showing you how to make leaves. So using dark green thread, we just need to create 3 small lines like this, and the leaf is ready. Super easy. Similarly, randomly I am making some leaves using dark green thread and some leaves using light sap green color thread. So we just need to poke 4 holes and your leaf is ready. Similarly, making some more leaves here and there. And now I am doing here French knot technique using 4 strands of yellow color thread. Just need to wrap the thread around the needle for 4 to 5 times, and from the same hole we have to pass our needle. Just pull it gently and the French knot is ready. Super easy. And it will work like a filler flower or small pollens or small flowers. So similarly, I am going to make some more yellow color knots here and there around the light sap green color stems. So completing it quickly. And this is done. Now around the dark green color stems, I am going to create these knots using medium pink color thread. So doing same technique and creating some fillers like this. So this is also done. And here I have created one small branch using light sap green color just to extend the pattern little bit, and created some small branches by adding single lines. And also I'm filling the random places using some more knots with same dark pink color, yellow color and light pink color. Similarly, going to complete the pattern on left side. And now here we both wore Gajra on that day, so I have decided to highlight the Gajra portion using embroidery work. So it will match with the flower theme, and I just don't want to disturb my original photograph, so just to highlight it little bit, I have decided to create Gajra. So these small texture will enhance the beauty of your work, and if you are creating wedding couple portrait, so you can convert the Varmala with this technique, or you can create small tiaras or some small necklaces. Any small element you can add on your original photograph. And here I am doing same French knot technique to create Gajra using white thread and little bit of pink thread. And the beautiful Gajras are ready for me and for my mom. Very pretty. And this is done. And with a similar method, I have completed the left side just like the right one. And it's looking absolutely stunning. Now it's time to create the base for our photograph. So here I am taking the measurements of photograph, that is 18 by 12.5 centimeters. I have just printed it as A5 size. And now here I am taking 19 by 13.5 centimeter light green color cardstock, just sticking it on back side of the photo. You can take any color cardstock because we are going to hide it with white frame anyways. And now there is lots of embroidery work on 2 corners of the photograph from back side. So just to balance the height of the photograph from back, we have to stick some double-sided foam tape so that it will be balanced when we will stick it on green base. Now removing all the liners and sticking it on green cardstock. Then here I have created one frame on 20 by 24.5 centimeter cardstock. I have just cut it at 1 centimeter from all four sides. Now I am sticking the frame on top of green cardstock by adding little glue, and this is done. Then from back side I am adding one same size white color cardstock just for finishing. And then I have attached one super easy stand on back side. Just created this folded technique to create the stand. Very easy. And now you can easily stand it on your desk and create this beautiful handmade idea for your mom in upcoming Mother's Day. It's looking very beautiful. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.